Now let us start exercise 7.7. Exercise 7.7. First problem. Integral of 4 minus x square root of 4 minus x square into dx. This 4 is taken as 2 square minus x square into dx. Clearly it is in the form of integral root of a square minus x square into dx. What is the formula of this? X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus c. Apply that formula. What is a? A is 2. From that formula, x by 2 into root of a square 2 square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by 2 plus c. Simply you put a is equal to 2 in this formula. 2 square 4 minus x square 4 by 2 2 into sin inverse x by 2 plus c. Next, integral of root of 1 minus 4x square into dx. Write it as integral of root of 1 minus 4x square is taken as 2x whole square. 4x square is taken as 2x whole square. It is in this form. It is in this form. In place of a, that is 1. Here 1 is taken as 1 square. In place of x, that is 2x. You apply that formula directly. You write that formula and apply. X by 2. What is x? 2x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. 1 minus x square, that is 2x whole square plus a square by 2. 1 by 2 into sin inverse x by a. X is 2x by a is 1. Here in place of x there is 2x. Its integration, apply that formula by derivative of 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2 plus 2 cancel. It is divide this 2 separately. X by 2 into root of 1 minus 4x square 1 by 2 by 2 1 by 4 into sin inverse 2x plus c. In place of x we have 2x. So apply the formula directly by derivative of 2x, that is 2. integral of root of x square plus 4x plus 6 into dx. We write it as integral of root of x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 2. Write this 6 as 4 plus 2. Now observe that the first three terms, they are in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the expansion of x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square. 2 is taken as root 2 whole square into dx. Now this problem is in the form of integral of root x square plus a square. This problem is in the form of integral of root of x square plus a square into dx. What is the formula of this? X by 2 into root x square plus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root of x square plus a square. It is plus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root x square plus a square. Apply this formula directly. In place of x, what we have? X plus 2. In place of a, we have root 2. From that formula, it is x plus 2 by 2 into root of x square plus a square. A square plus a square by 2 log mod x plus, what is x? X plus 2 plus root of x plus 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square. Plus you apply this formula directly. In place of x, you write x plus 2. In place of a, you write root 2. This is x plus 2 by 2. Again expand it. X square plus 4x plus 4. Root 2 whole square 2. 4 plus 2, 6. Root 2 whole square 2. 2 by 2, 1. Log of x plus 2 plus, here also expand it, x square plus 4x plus 4, 4 plus 2, that is 6 plus c. Next, fourth one, integral of root of x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. Now write it as integral of root of x square. First you write it as a perfect square. Write it as x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus 1. Add 4 and subtract 4. Why? These three terms becomes x plus 2 whole square, which is a perfect square. integral of root of x plus 2 whole square minus 3 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 is taken as root 3 whole square into dx. Now it is in the form of integral root of x square minus a square. If here it is, if it is minus, then the formula becomes x by 2 into root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into x square minus a square. There is only difference is in the sign. If it is plus, you write plus. If it is minus, you write minus. You apply that formula. In place of x, it is x plus 2. In place of a, it is root 3. That is equal to, in place of x there is x plus 2, in place of a there is root 3. From that formula, x plus 2 by 2 root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log mod x. What is x? X plus 2 plus root of x square minus a square now expand this. X plus 2 by 2 the root of x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 3 plus 1 root 3 whole square 3 by 2 into log mod x plus 2 plus root of, expand this also, x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 3 plus 1 plus next fifth one, integral of root of 1 minus 4x minus x square into dx. Integral of 1 minus, take minus common from these two, it becomes x square plus 4x into dx. You make it as a perfect square, write it as x square plus 4x. When it is a perfect square, add 4 and subtract 4. Observe that the first 3 terms is x plus 2 whole square. It is a perfect square into dx. Minus into minus plus, 1 plus 4 5 minus of x plus 2 whole square into dx. minus into minus plus 4 plus 1 5. It is in the form of integral root a square minus x square. You write 5 as root 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square into dx. This is in the form of integral of root of a square minus x square into dx. Apply that formula. X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. This problem is in this form. In place of a we have root 5. In place of x we have x plus 2. Apply that formula. X by 2, x plus 2 by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2. What is a? Root 5. A square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. What is x? X plus 2. What is a? Root 5 plus. Now expand it. It is x plus 2 by 2 root 5 square 5 minus, expand it, x plus 2 whole square x square plus 4x plus 4 plus root 5 whole square 5 by 2 into sin inverse x plus 2 by root 5 plus c. Take this minus into bracket. Minus x square minus 4x minus 4. 5 minus 4 1 minus x square minus 4x plus 5 by 2 into sin inverse x plus 2 by root 5 plus c. Any problem, you reduce this problem into any one of these three forms and apply that suitable formula. Integral of root of x square plus 4x minus 5 into dx. Write it as integral of, first write it as a perfect square, x square plus 4x. When it is a perfect square, if there is plus 4, so you add plus 4 and subtract minus 4. Add 4 and subtract 4. If you add one term and subtract the same term, there is no change. Now first three terms is the square of x plus 2. The root of x plus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 5, that is minus 9. Minus 9 is taken as 3 square into dx. See here, it is in the form of integral root of x square minus a square. Apply this formula. In place of x, we have x plus 2. In place of a, it is 3. Apply that formula. Into root of x square, that is x plus 2 whole square minus a square, 3 square minus a square by 2 log mod x plus 2 now expand it. X square plus 4x plus 4 minus 9 minus 5 9 by 2 into log mod x plus 2 x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 9 minus 5 plus c. Next, 7th, integral of root of 1 plus 3x minus x square into dx. First make it as a perfect square and then apply the suitable formula. Integral of root of 1, write it as minus of x square minus 3x. While reducing into perfect square, you must make the coefficient of x square as 1. If you take minus common, the coefficient of x square becomes 1. Now see, we write it as x square minus 2 into 3 by 2x. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab. Write plus b square. What is b here? 3 by 2 plus b square, 3 by 2 whole square. If you add, then you must subtract. If you add one term, then you subtract that same term. Now see the first 3 terms, they are in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. Constant term minus 9 by 4, 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. 1 minus 9 by 4. What we get? 4 minus 5. 4 minus 9 minus 5 by 4. but here it is minus into minus plus, so it becomes 1 plus 9 by 4. Here it is minus into minus plus 1 plus 9 by 4, that is equal to 13 by 4. Minus into minus is plus 13 by 4 minus, it is x minus 3 by 2 whole square into dx. These three terms are in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. Now write this as root 13 by 2 whole square. 13 by 4 is taken as root 13 by 2 whole square minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square into dx. Now this problem is in the form of integral root of a square minus x square dx. So you apply this formula. What is a? Root 13 by 2. What is x? X minus 3 by 2. Apply this formula. X minus 3 by 2 by 2 to root of a square minus x square minus plus a square by 2, a square root 13 by 2 into sin inverse x by a root 13 by 2. Now simplify it. That is equal to, see what is the LCM here, 2x minus 3 by 2, 2 into 2 4, so 2x minus 3 by 4 into square root of root 13 by 2 whole square, that is 13 by 4 minus of, expand it, it is in the form of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab, 2 cancel, minus 3x plus b square 9 by 4 plus root 13 by 2 whole square, root 13 square 13, 2 square 4, 4 into 2 8, 13 by 8 into sin inverse. What is the LCM of numerator? 2. This 2 and this 2 cancel. So we get 2x minus 3 by root 13. That is equal to, see what is the 13 by 4 minus 9 by 4. Here 13 by 4 minus 9 by 4. 4 by 4 1. 1 minus x square minus into minus plus 3x plus 13 by 8 into sin inverse 2x minus 3 by root 13 plus c. So apply that formula, this formula, write this formula and do the calculation carefully. Next, 8. Integral of root of x square plus 3x into dx. Here also write it as a perfect square. Integral of root of, this is taken as 2 into 3 by 2. Write 3 as 2 into 3 by 2 into x. Now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab. When it is perfect square, if it is plus b square, what is b here? 3 by 2 plus b square, 3 by 2 whole square. If you add this, then you subtract to dx. See here, the first 3 terms are in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square, x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square into dx. Now this problem is in the form of integral root of x square minus a square into dx. You apply this formula. In place of x, x plus 3 by 2. In place of a, 3 by 2. Substitute from that formula x by 2. X plus 3 by 2 by 2. X square minus a square. A square 3 by 2 whole square minus a square by 2 into log mod x. What is x? X plus 3 by 2 plus root of x square minus a square plus, you expand this. See LCM here, 2. 2 into 2, 4. In numerator, 2x plus 3 by 4 into root of, you expand it. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 3 by 2 plus b square, 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4. They get cancelled. Minus 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4 by 2, 9 by 8 into log mod x plus 3 by 2 plus, expand it, x square plus 2 into a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4. These two are same, they get cancelled. Here 2 cancel. Here also 2 cancel. So it is 2x plus 3 by 4 into root of x square plus 3x minus 9 by 8 into log mod x plus 3 by 2 plus root of, in the square root, x square plus 3x plus these are simple problems. Just you apply the formula directly, but do the calculation part carefully. Next, 9. Integral of root of 1 plus x square by 9 into dx. See here, take a LCM. What is the LCM of this 9? In numerator, it is 9 plus x square into dx. Root 9 is 3. That is constant. 1 by 3 into integral of root of x square plus 9 is taken as 3 square into dx. Now it is in the form of integral root x square plus a square. Integral root of x square plus a square. This formula and this formula are same, just only they differ in sign. So this is x by 2 into root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into apply this formula. In place of x there is x, in place of a there is 3. 1 by 3 into x by 2 into root of x square plus a square 3 square 9 plus a square by 2 3 square 9 by 2 into log mod x plus root of x square plus a square. A square is 3 square 9 plus the same model. 10th problem, integral of root of 1 plus x square into dx. You write it as integral root of x square plus 1, or 1 is taken as 1 square into dx. It is also in the form of integral root x square plus a square. So apply this formula. In place of a, here it is 1. So from this formula it is x by 2 into root of x square plus a square 1 square 1 plus a square by 2 1 by 2 into log mod x plus root of x square plus a square, that is 1 plus c. In your textbook to this problem 4 options are given. In this option A is correct. You must prepare these formulas thoroughly. This entire exercise 7.7 depends on these 3 formulas. Next, last problem, 11th. Integral of root of x square minus 8x plus 7 into dx. Write it as integral of root of, first you make it as a perfect square. So you write it as x square minus 8 is taken as 2 into 4 into x. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab. You write plus b square. What is b here? 4. Plus b square is plus 4 square. If you add 4 square, you must subtract plus 7 into dx. You see the first 3 terms, they are in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square, x minus 4 whole square. 4 square 16, minus 16 plus 7 minus 9 into dx. You write it as x minus 4 whole square, 9 is taken as 3 square into dx. See, it is in the form of integral root x square minus a square. You apply this formula in place of x, here it is x minus 4, in place of a, here it is 3. So you apply this first formula. From that formula, x by 2, what is x? X minus 4 by 2 into root of x square minus a square. A is 3 minus a square by 2, 3 square by 2 log mod x square minus a square plus c. Now expand it. X minus 4 by 2 into root of, it is in the form of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab, 8x plus 16 minus 9, so plus 7, 3 square 9 by 2 log mod x minus 4 plus root of, expand it, x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 9 plus 7 plus c. Here also, to this problem, in your textbook 4 options are given. So the correct option is option D. With this problem, the indefinite integration is completed. In next class, we will start the next topic, definite integral. So, okay. You list out all the formulas in integration and prepare all the formulas thoroughly. If you are thorough in those formulas, then the problems becomes easier. This entire topic, integration, depends on the formulas. Okay.